Hi everybody, konnichiwa. My name is Yen, this is Papa and our baby Anna. Today we're going to share with you some interesting condiments and seasoning from Japan, which is recommended by Papa. So with many of you still working from home, all this tube seasoning is actually very useful and handy when it comes to whipping up a fast, free and easy meal. So let's begin. So we're going to start off with this ginger paste. It's actually a very common ingredient that is found in Asian cooking. And Papa also claimed that this is so common that it's found in almost all Japanese households. So let's take a look. You can actually pair it, you can use it in your Chinese cooking, any cooking. You can use it immediately. You can basically eat it like with your chicken rice. I think they use this with the chili sauce and black sauce as well. So if your tapao, if your chicken rice store doesn't give you this ginger paste, you can use it. So I'm gonna squeeze some out. You can see how it looks like. And I'm going to do a taste test and see how it's not very spicy, but I think the kick will come in a bit later. For me, this is actually quite easy. For people that doesn't take any spice, I think this is manageable. I can tie. Yeah. Okay. The next one that we like to share is this garlic paste, tube paste, which is even more common in Chinese cooking and in Japanese cooking as well. So let's open up and take a look. We're gonna squeeze out some. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It's like garlic bread. Let's do a taste test now. Smells really good. Okay, this is actually stronger, much stronger than the garlic paste that I tasted before. Tastes really good. You can go with gyoza and you can use it instantly. This is very convenient, no downtime. Anytime you want, it's always in the fridge. So you don't have to peel and chop and everything. So very highly recommend to you guys. The next one that we are going to introduce is probably the trademark of Japan, which is the wasabi. It's very common, so common in Japanese cuisine. They use it in almost all of their food. You can use it in sashimi, beef steak, pork chop, chicken chop, and sometimes it's even on tofu. So let's open up, take a look, and we're gonna taste test this. This is one of the brands that we took for taste test. So now we're gonna do a taste test for this wasabi. I'm just gonna take a bit, because I'm not sure if I can take the spice level. Here. Oh my god. Not bad, but I prefer it with sashimi. Okay, it's quite spicy for this brand, but we will do another video clip especially for all the different brands that we found in Japanese supermarket. So stay tuned. The next tube is actually my most favorite tube, which is the yuzu tube. You can use it, it's very light and refreshing. So usually the Japanese will use it on like tofu, salad, and even in their hot pot, Japanese hot pot. So this is how it looks like. It's a yuzu paste. We're gonna taste test it now. You can actually see the bits of yuzu. They are quite generous with it. Really, really nice. 大推.
Oh.
We really recommend this as well. You can put it on the fish steak, recommended on the box also. You can also use it as a yuzu tea. You can make a very refreshing iced yuzu tea in the hot weather as well. So hope you really like this. We really like it as well. Following up is actually this yuzu pepper. It's basically green chili padi that is infused with yuzu. So people that likes yuzu and likes a little bit of heat, you can actually go for this. So let's open up and take a look. Looks like this. So now I'm going to do a taste test for this yuzu pepper. Okay, the yuzu is not as strong as the previous tube. This one, the heat is actually more pronounced. You can immediately taste the pepper. Green chili padi actually. It's very good with chicken, I think pork, yakitori. It's actually recommended on yakitori. So anything that you need a bit of spice up, you can also put in salad or tofu. The next tube that I'm going to recommend is this. This is not so commonly found, and I'm also not sure if you guys know about this. It's actually the sisho leaf. In Japanese cuisine, they used to pair it with somen, cold somen, natto, which is the smelly bean. Quite acquired, but I love it. And also on pasta. So I'm going to do a taste test while Papa is carrying Anna. I think she's going to sleep soon. It's very aromatic and it's a bit leafy, so the taste is a little bit acquired. Not sure if everybody likes it, but we love it a lot. You can use it. Yesterday we paired it with gyoza, which it's very, very tasty, and also you can use it in tofu as well. It's actually recommended with chicken. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as we do. This next tube that I'm going to recommend is actually the ume paste. It's a sour plum paste, which is so interesting because you can actually just put it onto the cucumber and it's instantly a very interesting appetizer. You can serve it to your guests. You can use it in porridge, and for us, actually, we like it in our onigiri. So sometimes we make like onigiri, the rice ball, the rice dumpling, and you can also squeeze some on it as well. So it gives a very light taste, a sour taste. So I think it's more for the ladies. I think we really like it a lot. So now we're going to open up and see how it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. So now we're going to do a taste test. It's really very sour. I suggest you just squeeze out a little bit and it goes a long way. Hope you like it. Finally, we're going to recommend this super interesting condensed cream that is highly recommended by Papa. This cream tube is basically condensed milk, but it's packed in a tube. You know, condensed milk once we open, right? It's like very difficult to store it. I mean, you can put it into a glass container, but it's a bit mafan. So this tube is so convenient. Basically, you can use it anywhere, everywhere. It can be used in coffee, your tea, on pancake, waffles, and even substitute it with your whipped cream with strawberry. So this, and for me, I would think that it goes very good with our fried mantou. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, so now I'm gonna taste test this for you guys. Very tasty, very sweet. It's actually lighter than our normal condensed milk, not as thick and heavy. So people that loves condensed milk but don't want to be too sinful, I think this is another one that you can try. Basically, you can top it up on your ice kacang. I think it goes very good with or your azuki, like basically ice kacang. And for me, I think it really goes well with fried mantou. I really can't wait to try this out. I hope you guys enjoy this recommendation from us. Okay, here comes to the end of our episode. We really hope that you guys enjoyed what we shared and hope that you have all this at your country as well. So we see you in our next episode. Bye!
Hi!